Why you should use Shopify POS instead of QuickBooks POS. If you run a retail business, you understand the importance of having a reliable point of sale system. You can handle transactions fast and effectively using a POS system. Inventory, customers, and sales data can also be tracked. QuickBooks POS is a well-known point of sale solution. Many business owners, however, are switching to Shopify POS. In this video, we'll go through some of the benefits of switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. QuickBooks point of sale is less user-friendly than Shopify. One of the most common criticisms leveled about QuickBooks point of sale is that software is prone to mistakes, freezes, hangs, and has grown obsolete. The program is complex and hard to learn. This might cause irritating delays while checking out clients. Shopify POS, on the other hand, is a lot easier to use. The UI is simple to grasp and operate, and the program is cutting-edge in terms of functionality. This implies that you can complete transactions swiftly and easily. For a free consultation, please click the link below. Get all your Shopify POS questions addressed. Shopify's e-commerce features outnumber those of QuickBooks point of sale. Shopify is the way to go if you want a POS system that provides more than just basic point of sale capabilities. Shopify provides robust e-commerce functionality in addition to the ability to conduct transactions and maintain inventory. Automatic shipping calculations, abandoned cart recovery, and product reviews are among the features included. QuickBooks POS does not have these functionalities. Shopify offers superior customer service over QuickBooks point of sale. You can't afford to have your POS system down for even an hour when you operate a business. That is why a point of sale system with good customer service is essential. If something goes wrong, or if you have a query about how to utilize a certain product, you want to be able to receive support as soon as possible. Unfortunately, QuickBooks customer service is inadequate. Wait times are excessive, and reps are frequently useless. Shopify, on the other side, provides exceptional customer service. The personnel are well-informed and can typically address difficulties fast. There are several reasons to migrate from QuickBooks POS to Shopify point of sale. Shopify is simpler to use than QuickBooks and has more e-commerce options. Shopify also provides superior customer service than QuickBooks point of sale. You may be asking if there are any disadvantages to switching from QuickBooks to Shopify POS. While you may need to make some small tweaks when utilizing Shopify as your cash register, it is a far superior point of sale system to QuickBooks POS. We hope this video has persuaded you to switch. Switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. Get professional counsel before investing in migrating products. To chat with an expert and get your questions addressed, click the link below.